All right, it's Wednesday morning, early. Well, it was earlier, but we had to wait till it got light, and it's a little about 7 a.m. right now. We're on 95 South, just south of Savannah, Georgia, hauling ass down to Lake Kissimmee, fish the Bassmaster Kayak Series opening event. We got the kayaks loaded up. I'll show you that setup when we stop here to eat in a little bit, so stick around. All right, we made the stop at the Buc-ee's. First stop of the day. We're about 3 hours in. Everything looks pretty good back here. You can see the setup. I'll go a little more in detail later about how we set this up, but it's not going there. We did have the kayak slide just a little bit back, but I don't know why. I think the seats got popped up. The bungee cord wasn't on good, and it slid around and made it so it was making like a good windbreak. So lesson learned. I think when we re-rack them, we'll rack them backwards so the wind's pushing the seat down. It's easier than pulling the seats off and trying to jam them in the truck. So anyway, we're gonna get something here at Buc-ee's and get back on the road. Quick side note, if anyone's looking for a job and you live near a Buc-ee's, check that out, man. This place pays. Plus the extra weekend pay and the overnight pay. Not bad. All right, we're down in Florida, St. Augustine area at Bass Pro. Got to pick up some Florida fishing licenses. Who knows how much that's going to cost. Can't be near as much as California though. Well, we made it to Port Hatchettina or whatever the hell you want to call it, but we're here. And there's Lake Hatchet, whatever it is, right behind us. Part of the Kissimmee chain of lakes. This is the one we're going to be fishing this week for the Bassmaster Kayak Series. From looking on the maps, watching a bunch of videos, seems like guys do pretty decent here. So we're going to give it a shot. Right now the wind's blowing strong. The way I'm facing, which would be from behind you, straight out across the lake, kind of offshore, but doesn't really look too bad. It's a pretty gentle breeze, but pretty steady. But you should be able to stay up in here without any problem. We're going to pre-fish this next 2 days. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It is starting to get a little cloudy out, but not bad coming in from the Tampa side here. So we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. We've got some tackle to rig up, stuff to put together, get the kayaks unloaded and get squared away ready for tomorrow and get something to eat. They got a little restaurant here. We're gonna give it a shot. So stick around.
As you can see, the rain arrived just in time for the practice day.
Well, here's pre-fishing day one from the bank. It just stopped raining about 10 minutes ago, and now the wind is up about 25 miles an hour, so it's definitely not safe to head out in kayaks. We did make it to town this morning in the rain, hit the local tackle store, which I'll post a video clip from right here. That place is 10 out of 10, would recommend. They call it the Fisherman's Candy Store, I believe, and rightly so. I didn't film the whole inside, but you'll see the video clip here. It's worth checking out. And we got something to eat, at a place right down the street from there that was really good. So I've added that in there too, in case you're in the area and looking to get something to eat. So we're gonna get back to our walk in the bank here, pre-fishing for now. And weather's looking a little bit better for tomorrow, so hopefully it'll be good. This is supposed to blow out here in the next couple hours, but it's already almost 2 o'clock, so not looking promising. The wind's really picking up, just not safe. So we'll get back to you. Stopped raining enough to come out. This is where we are right here. Place is huge, as you can see. If you're in the area, stop by. We're at Bridgemaster Tackle Store. I don't even know what town this is in, but we're not far from the lake. I'll put the address in here, but this guy has the most complete collection of blanks, line, guides, rod butts, seats. Look at this. This is just a rod room. This place is probably one of the best tackle stores I've ever been in, and that's a lot coming from California. We've got a ton of tackle stores. This place is great. People are super nice. Prices are outstanding. A lot of rods on sale. Buck's sampling a few right now. And the fishing side, the tackle side, unbelievable. I'm not filming over there because there's a bunch of people over there right now, but Definitely worth checking out. It's also called the Fisherman's Candy Store. I'll put a picture of his business card here after this clip. But if you're in the area, come check it out. Tell him we sent you. All right, after the tackle store, we're looking for something to eat. We hit the Lake Wales coffee house here. Not bad, good prices, good food. Would recommend. Would eat here again. What do you think, Buck?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, would eat here again. Couldn't find anywhere else. So, but actually, we passed one other place, but this was about, I don't know, 10 minutes from the tackle shop down the street. So, not bad. Well, I'd like to have some fishing action to offer you from day one of the pre-fishing for the Bassmaster Kayak Series down here in the Kissimmee chain. But as you can see, the skies have just cleared up. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and the wind is just howling. I don't know if it transposes in the camera, but it's white capping. I'm gonna move this right here and hold this still and see if you can see it. There you go. Look at how fast that water's moving from the wind and the white caps. It's relentless. It's been not even gusting, it's just sustained, probably in the 20-mile-an-hour range. Unfortunately, it's just not a safe bet to go out in these conditions, even for a couple hours. I saw a couple guys go out, and there's 3 trailers still in the parking lot. So some guys are out somewhere in kayaks. Hope they make it all back safely, because this isn't supposed to let up till sometime late tonight. But if you're going out, man, make sure you wear a life jacket. Think twice. Check the conditions before you launch, because this isn't fun. I'm sure it's been worse, but this is pretty bad.